Okay, so let me quickly walk you through what this flow in CrewAI does. The idea behind this flow is to go from doing research on trending low competition keywords for mobile apps all the way to providing the code for an MVP of a mobile app. So let me kickstart this flow. Okay, so we can see how the first agent just started its work, which is doing the research using the server dev tool. And this agent passes those keywords to a business analyst who turns those keywords into a mobile app concept. Let me select one of these options. I will select this, the third one. And we can see how this concept I selected is passed to a business analyst that generates a roadmap of that app concept. Uh, this roadmap that the agent builds contains some important information such as the business strategy, how to monetize the app, and some important considerations and features that the app should have. And then he passes that information to a designer who creates a written design for the user experience and user interface of the app. And this written design will be very important because based on that, the developer from the third crew will create the initial code for the MVP. We can see how the third crew just started. We can see the written design that the developer uh, got from the designer. Let's wait and see the output. Okay, so we can see how the first agent of this last crew, the mobile developer, passed the initial code to the senior QA engineer who will take a look at the code and spot any issues or bugs um, on this initial code. He will then pass any findings for the mobile developer to refactor the code in a following task. Let's wait and see. So we can see here how the QA engineer um, finished its work and passed the code back to the senior mobile developer to work on any improvements or issues that the QA engineer found. Okay, and as a last step, we can see the document specialist, which will be in charge of pasting the refactored code into a file, and it will be structured in such a way that we can recognize uh, what parts of the code should be placed in what files in an expo project structure. Let's wait and see. Great, the flow successfully completed. And now let's take a look at the web interface so we can see the results. Okay, here we have the mockup images of the different screens of the app. And we also have the options to download the app design, the code, and the roadmap. You can find the link to the GitHub repo down below on the description of this video. And on a next video, we will discuss some key technical aspects of this flow. So stay tuned.